This project is for CS50. It is a app that you can use to estimate points for typical Jira stories. Hence it's called Scrum Poker. You can run it locally. It is now being run locally. It has a front end, it has a back end, and it has a database. And it makes use of Socket.io. And with no further ado, I will show it. So this is your landing page. It gives a example of what it's gonna look like when you actually create your room. So let's do that. Click on new room. We have to give ourselves a name as a participant. And then we create our room, and here we are. So what do we see? We see a header in which you can copy the room. I will show you in a minute. We have a logout button. Whenever we're done, we have a main table, so to speak, which declares to pick a card. And here is, well, me sitting next to the table. And I can pick a card. But like I said, this is meant to be a session in which you estimate points for a story, which you typically do with your team. So let's invite a team member, and we click on copy room. And then we'll go to a incognito browser to kind of fake that we're adding another person to this room. So I've pasted the link to the room that I just copied. Go to that. Now, of course, I'm joining, so I need a name as well. And we will continue to the room, and there we are, or there I am at the bottom. So now that there are 2 team members, we can actually estimate. So there's, of course, no actual story, but let's imagine. And I say, well, I think it's 8 points. You can see 8 is highlighted, and my card is chosen. Go to the other me, and I say, well, I think it's 5 points. And again, you can see we have both chosen our card. I have 5, and I also have 8. So it's time to reveal the cards and see if we're aligned on the story. And we're not, but you get the gist of it. Now at this point you can say, well, okay, maybe the other person is right and it's actually 8, so you can still change, or you can just start a new round and do it all again. And that is the app in short. Thank you for watching.